back to my channel. So if you've seen my last video in which I did this huge clothing haul, I showed you guys this blue colored blouse that I found at a thrift store. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I transformed it into this super adorable peasant top. This is a very quick and easy DIY, so whatever your sewing abilities are, I'm sure you can recreate this top. So let's get started. Start by drawing a wide neckline like this. You'll want it to be about an inch bigger than a normal neckline. Cut it out and leave 1 inch of seam allowance. To make sure both sides are symmetrical, use the side you just cut out as a template for the other side and cut it out. Also cut the back neckline at about 1 inch below the collar. It should look something like this. Hem the neckline by folding the fabric in twice. There should be about ½ inch of folded fabric, and this will be used as a sort of tunnel for the ribbon that we'll insert later. Once the neckline is completely pinned, sew it with a straight stitch and stay as close as possible to the edge. And here's the neckline. Next, cut 1 inch from the bottom of the top. We'll use this to make the ribbon. Basically, you'll want to fold it into 4. So fold it in half first, and then fold both of the edges in and close it. Continue this for the entire ribbon. I also suggest to iron the folds before sewing. It'll help you keep control while you're sewing, and it'll make you sew a lot straighter. And here's the completed ribbon. Attach a safety pin at the end of the ribbon and insert it into the opening of the neckline. Push the safety pin inside until it reaches the other side. This can take a bit of time, so you can listen to some music, to a podcast, or watch something while you're doing this. When it reaches the other side, remove the safety pin and adjust the ribbons and the amount of gathering you want. Finish off the neckline with a cute little bow. Mark your desired length for the top and make sure there is 1.5 inches of extra fabric below the marking. Next, we'll create a tunnel for the elastic. With the top inside out, fold the fabric until it hits the marking, and then fold the raw edge inside. We're basically doing the same thing as the neckline, but bigger. I also realized it's best to sew the button placket together at the bottom. It'll make it a lot easier to fold the hem. You'll want to leave a 2-inch gap in the back of the top, and I put 2 vertical pins to mark it. And then sew the edge of the tunnel, but stop at the gap. Cut some elastic that is the size of your waist. And use a safety pin, just like we did for the ribbon. For large elastics like this, I prefer to use big safety pins. It makes it a lot easier and faster. Attach it to the end of the elastic and insert it into the gap. Feed it through the tunnel until it reaches the other side. Sew the 2 elastic ends together, and also sew the gap closed. And that's it. Here's the final transformation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts on this DIY in the comments down below, and also subscribe to my channel for more DIY fashion videos and sewing tutorials. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!